Howdy everyone, this is Grandpa. I'm with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, I'm at the Oliver Sawyer Yards. I'm at their one bedroom with an extra half bath. This is a beautiful floor plan. I'm just kind of walking through it, showing it off to you. I love seeing this. The space here is just unreal. It's really big. You've got a beautiful, wow, great washer dryer room. That's just gorgeous. You've got a beautiful shelves that are coming out, real Italian kind of open shelving right there. This beautiful island that has so much space in it. This is just really built for entertaining. It's so white and bright and pretty. You've got nice appliances. You've got gas there, and then you've got this beautiful space over here to enjoy. They're not really in this floor plan. What they could do is they could push that sofa back and have another table here, so you could literally have easily 10 people here in this room, and there's plenty of room in here to entertain. This does have a balcony here too. That's two really cute chairs there, so that's all good. And then let's look in the bedroom. The bedroom has a huge king bed, and it's still easily fitting. It's got a big window space for that night table, and then nightstand. And then, hey, you've got a really nice bath, dual sink. You've got a beautiful walk-in shower that's here, and look at this closet. The closet's just boss. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful floor plan. Really love this. I'd recommend, though, that let's set up a virtual tour for you. We can do a virtual live on your iPhone, or we can do an in-person live, either one. And that way you'd get to see what's available that fits your price range and your move-in date that you want. So send in a request. And that's my number below. Just say, hi, Grant. I'd like to do the virtual tour. Or if you just want to ask about Houston apartments in general, we help with our free service with all of the best Houston apartments. So that's my number below. Say hi to me. My name is Grant. Just text me. I'll respond right away.